At
the Staufen Best Practice Day, I enjoy talking at eye level with people who have the same drive, put things in motion, and just want to take action. And that is something special.
Networking, sparring, mentoring, this is where lean is needed. So the best practice experiences of others are especially important. And this is why the day was so great.
Staufen brings interesting people from different sectors together. Staufen, for me, very operational and also very successful in our own operations. It helps me to meet different people from the industry and improves my networking.
Other good role models are introduced and we can see what's going on at their companies. We ourselves are a pioneer in the industry, so we are happy to share our knowledge too.
Companies today are confronted with huge challenges, and the question they ask in the last years is, how should we approach these crises? The topic of ambidexterity is, of course, of particular importance in this context.
What I really liked about today was that we were able to discuss problems with different companies, network and exchange experiences with one another, which is enabling us to solve more complex problems together.